What's up guys, just wanted to quickly go over some of these new face masks we've been making. We have lots of interest and wanted to kind of give you a minor breakdown of what the actual material and everything is behind our face mask. The face mask is 100% polyester, multi-spandex fabric with the insides non-woven. The outside's got a really nice sublimated print so we can do any full color sublimation that you want, any pattern, any artwork. Wanted to break down how this works. If you guys send us art, we'll send you back a quick tech pack of all of your art laid out, ready to go. The turn time on most of our masks is around 2 or 3 weeks. It's pretty quick for being fully printed, sublimated, cut and sew. One of the cooler features of our mask is that it has these ear loops that allow you to actually tighten and loosen the mask, so it truly is a one-size-fits-all. I use these on my kids, myself, etc. They're very comfy to wear. Right now, being mandated to have to wear them, it's great that at least you can be semi-stylish out there, comfortable. Appreciate you guys checking out the video. If you'd like to know more about the face masks or things that we do here, please email sales@fullscaleco.com and we'll help you out right away.